Hey y'all, I hope y'all are doing well. My normal intro is not gonna be my normal intro. What's up everybody, it's Roya. No, we're not doing that. This is very impromptu. Cam is sleeping. If I'm whispering it's because the kids are supposed to be down. It's Saturday. I'm literally just chilling in the house, getting ready to watch Love and Marriage Huntsville. However, a delivery came and I wanted to share. This is a new handbag. By the time you see the title, you'll know what it is or whatnot. But I know what it is, but I haven't seen it. And I wanted y'all to see here that I have not opened this box. I wanted it to be a true unboxing, and that's why it's seriously so impromptu. Y'all, I have on no makeup, so forgive my appearance, but I like real unboxings. I don't want to see it where you done open the box, but then you tell me, but girl, I just let it sit in the corner. I didn't touch it. You lying, Craig. You lying. I like real unboxings. Hold on one second. Let me go check on Kat. Okay. Anyway, I like real unboxings. So I thought it would be dope to unbox this with you guys. I talked about this in a vlog not too long ago. How I saw it. It was on sale. I already have one, so just bursting the bubble there. I already have one of these bags, but when it came up in this color variation with this hardware variation and the coupon code, I was like, I have to have it. So I got my little handy dandy box cutter here. Well, babe's handy dandy box cutter. And we're gonna open it. We're gonna unbox it. So my address is on this little sticker. Let me see if it'll peel off. Perfect. So that way we can do it like so. Can y'all see? So let me be careful, girl, because I don't want to cut nothing. And I did hit this with Lysol. We're still quarantined around here, honey. Stuff that come to mail. I hit it with a little something. Okay. It is from Rebecca Minkoff. I don't want any of my personal information. My address is on here. So this is just the little Rebecca Minkoff packaging slip. And then this is what it is looking like in the inside. I'm excited. And just a little piece of clear tape that I'm actually, because I want it to be a clean cut. There we go. Okay. So let's pull her out. And let me show you guys. This, oh, it almost fell, is the Rebecca Minkoff M.A.C in the color Sanddrift with silver hardware. So, put it up close for y'all. Those are the specs. And let's open her up. So, yeah. Ooh-wee. This is exactly what I was looking for, you guys. As far as the color, yes. Oh, jeez. Okay, Rebecca, you better be paying attention to all the details. Making sure don't nothing happen to my bag. Girl. Y'all, this buckle. This hardware is gorgeous. Okay, so let's do this. Because I don't like taking the box cutter to my bag, so I'm going to see if it'll just pull. This hardware is really, really stunning, you guys. Look at there. Ugh. This is so pretty, you guys. Oh my goodness. I'm sure y'all want to see me doing this. But y'all, this is stunning. Like, I am beyond impressed. Trying to figure out how this is set to come off. Oh, let's figure this out. I think it just needs to be undone in the front. There we go. Yep. So I just undid it in the front. Y'all, stunning. This bag is just simply, let me re-snap it in the front. Oh my God, she's stunning. She reeks of leather, not reeks, because that's not, reeks smell is like stinky, but because the smell of this leather is gorgeous. Oh my gosh, y'all, look at her. She's a pebbled leather all over. Stitching is gorgeous. The hardware is so heavy. Like, the tassels are gorgeous. She feels really good. There's nothing on her, nothing wrong with her. Oh, she's gorgeous. I mean, not that there should be anything wrong with her. It's brand new, but I'm just saying. So, I ordered this bag directly from the website. The cost, original cost, let me make sure all my stuff is in the inside of the bag. So we got this little tissue paper, which I'm actually going to put this to the side because I'm going to restuff her once I'm finished and throw her in her dust bag that she seemingly does not come with. Is that? Let me find out. I gotta call Rebecca. Cause Rebecca, I need a this is just the tag in the inside. I need a dust bag, baby. I'm gonna have to call Rebecca. I'm gonna call their customer service, see if they'll send me a dust bag. Yeah, I'm not with that. But here's the tag, and it has like a care on the back, some care information. Original retail for the bag is $2.98, I'm sorry. And it was on sale for $99, and I used a 30% off code and got it for $69.30. So this is going to be so bomb for me spring and summer, because I have been loving the one that I'm currently carrying, which is the black one. Oh my gosh. This bag is beautiful. I mean, she is simply gorgeous. She's all leather. The inside is like a cloth material, and it says Rebecca Minkoff. Oh, and she has like a little pocket. Oh, that's cute. And some additional tassels. I'll be taking the care card and everything and just putting it down in the inside pocket. There are two pockets here. Of course, you can adjust it as you would, and I'll go through this when I review this bag for you guys, because I am going to review it. But I just wanted to do a quick unboxing, nothing crazy, just real impromptu. As y'all can see, I'm literally chilling in the house. You know, when I'm in my favorite hoodie, what am I doing? Chilling. So, yeah, I specifically wanted it in this color, and I'm so glad I got it in this color. It's not too light, it's not too dark, because there is a like more cognac-y brown color that I want to get for the spring and summer as well. I think this is going to be so cute with this silver hardware, doubled up on the, let me show you. I'll show you guys anyways, although I plan on discussing it in a video. I'm going to show you guys how I wear this particular version of the bag. I wear it like this. The full-size M.A.C, I wear it as a shoulder bag. Oh, y'all. This bag, y'all can't see it, you know. And I'm not standing up. I'm in my, like, little house booty shorts, too. So, we ain't doing all that. But I love this bag. You guys, she's gorgeous. And here's, like, the little logo on the back. I love this bag already. I mean, you don't get no better than 100% Italian pebbled leather bag for under 100 bucks. This is gonna, we'll talk about it. I just wanted to unbox it for y'all. We're gonna talk about it. Y'all leave y'all comments below. Let me know if you have questions on the bag. I'm definitely gonna be reviewing my black one and how much I love it. Same bag, so I won't review them twice, but I'm definitely going to be reviewing the bag nonetheless. So, as always, if you're an oldie but goodie, thank you so much for coming back and joining. If you are new, don't forget to hit the subscription button on your way out, and I'll see y'all in my next video.